In this video, we'll be giving an overview of the Accounts Payable tab of Finance Management, where we can manage vendors, purchase orders, bills, and payments. Here you can see the list of vendors, as well as their vendor number and other account and balance details. You can add a new vendor by clicking the New Vendor button in the upper right corner. By clicking on the drop-down arrow, you can create a new purchase order, new bill, or new debit note for an individual vendor. Select a vendor, then click any of these sub-tabs to get more information. By clicking Faber Electronics, then Purchase Orders, we can see all of the purchase orders for this vendor. Create a new purchase order by clicking the button in the upper right. Click the drop-down to create a new bill. On the Create Bill page, we can see the vendor details and purchase order details. We can add a vendor bill number and vendor bill date if necessary. The Issue Voucher checkbox will auto-create a voucher when the bill is posted. If this is not checked, you can create a voucher manually. You can also upload any related attachments. You can see the total items cost and add any discounts and taxes. The cost will be calculated in the item's total. Back on the Purchase Order tab, you can see the associated bill by selecting a purchase order, then click the Bill sub-tab. You can see if the status of the bill is matched, approved, or posted. Create a new bill or match bill by clicking the button in the upper right. Before approving and posting the bill, we have to match the bill. Once we post the bill, a voucher will be auto-created. To match a bill, select one that has not been matched, then click the Match Bill button. This brings us to the Match Bill section, where on one side we have the bill line items, and on the other side we have the stock inward line items. Selecting a bill will display corresponding stock inward, which we can select and save. This will match the line item with the bill. As we can see, the bill is now matched. We can now approve the bill via the drop-down button. Once the bill is approved, we can post the bill. Posting the bill has automatically created a voucher, which is not yet approved. A voucher can be a document that is recorded for multiple bills against which we can record a payment. Approve the voucher by clicking the drop-down, then selecting Approve. Once the voucher is approved, we can record the payment against it. Clicking the drop-down button, select Make Payment, which will show the Pay Voucher pop-up. Select the payment account. This will now show the account balance and the amount that needs to be paid. Post the payment by selecting the Posted checkbox, then click Save. The payment has now been created successfully. Click the Payment sub-tab to see the payment. The payment we just created and all other payments created by this vendor are listed here. We have the option of unposting the payment by clicking the drop-down. The debit notes created for vendors can be accessed by the Debit Notes sub-tab. Clicking back to the Vendor sub-tab will allow you to perform the same process for any other vendor. Thanks for watching.